Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Who amongst you remembers the saying of the Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about affliction?" I said, "I remember it well." He said, "You are extremely bold in this matter. What did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about it?" I said, "Prayer, charity, good deeds obliterate the affliction caused by a man's household issues and the neighbors." Suleiman said that he would say prayer, charity, bidding to do good, and forbidding from what is wrong. He said, "I did not ask about it, but I asked about the affliction that will surge like the sea tides." He said, "O chief of the believers, why are you scared, whereas there is a closed door between you and it?" He said, "Will the door be broken or opened?" I said, "It will be broken." He, Hazrat Umar, said, "If it is broken, it will never be closed then." I said, "Of course, we would fear to ask him about the door." So we said to Masruq to ask. When he asked, he said it was Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu himself. We asked, "Did Hazrat Umar know it?" He said, "Yes, as he knew the night after the day. And the hadith which I have reported from him is free from mistakes." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1435.